Hello, 5th grade students. Welcome to Library and Plagiarism 101. What I'm going to show you today is how to use Noodletools, or at least how to log into Noodletools and begin a new project so that we can later create a bibliography. So follow along. This should be a review for you, and it's easy peasy. Right? So when you log into your Chromebooks, you should come up to the OJR homepage, as you'll see here. Of course, we need to click Students, because that's what you are. And once you've gotten into the Student tabs, we're going to go to the blue Noodletools button that says NT. I click on it. And at this point, you should already have a profile set up unless you were not here last year. You might need to save your profile again because it likes to update things and make sure you're in the right school. So if your projects don't come up from last year, you may get a screen that asks you what school you're in and what year you're graduating. We set all that up last year. All you have to do is click Save. You don't need to change anything, unless you're new to our building, and then we need to set you up completely. Okay. You should see your projects from last year, though. And of course, we want to start a new one. So, what button do you think we might need to click to start a new project? Maybe the one that says New Project. You guys are so smart. So we click New Project and you give it a name. And then we want to change the citation level. Now, a citation is anything that you use as a source. So you could use a book for a citation, you can use a website for a citation, you can use a magazine for a citation. Anytime they say citation, they're talking about what did you use? What was your source? Okay? We don't want to use advanced. You are not advanced. Okay, you're in 5th grade. Advanced is what our high school kids use, and it's what our teachers use when they're doing projects for their school, and it's what college kids use. We are down here at Starter. Trust me, you'll thank me for it. So we click Starter and Submit. And that's it. It is easy peasy. All right, now it's your turn to try.